Did you know there's a full prequel to Stranger Things and it focuses entirely on the rise of Vecna? Most fans don't, because while the world watched Hawkins fighting Demogorgons and Mind Flayers, a much darker story was unfolding in the background. This prequel takes us long before 11, long before the gates opened, and long before Hawkins became cursed. It begins with a boy, Henry Creel. To the outside world, he looked normal, but inside, Henry was different. He felt emotions deeper, saw things others couldn't, and sensed a presence, a pull towards something far beyond human understanding. The prequel uncovers secrets the show only hinted at: the stranger murders in the Creel house, the voices Henry heard in the walls, the early glimpse of his psychic abilities, and the moment he realized he wasn't just gifted, he was powerful. This story reveals the emotional spiral of a boy who felt disconnected from humanity, who saw people as flawed and broken, and who slowly allowed darkness to shape him. We see how Henry grew, how he discovered the hidden world, the upside down, and the moment he embraces its chaos. But the most shocking part, his transformation into 001, the first test subject, and the one who eventually becomes Vecna. The prequel explores his twisted relationship with Dr. Brenner, the manipulation, the experiments, and the final breaking point where Henry Creel chooses to abandon humanity and rebuild himself as something far more terrifying. This isn't just a backstory, this is the blueprint of evil, the foundation of everything that happens in Stranger Things. And when you understand Vecna's past, every scream, shadow, moment in season 4 suddenly makes sense. So if you thought the upside down began with 11, this prequel proves one thing: the darkness had already chosen its king.